get into her with your left leg. Atta girl, no cutting. She did that on me too, and I kind of bluffed it. No bluffing. We gotta break this down to its bare bones. Good. Yeah. Now no canter. Let's just continue the whole thing. Walk trot. Good girl. I break her expectations. Because Monday was experimenting. Can she push through it? No, ma'am. We gotta slow it down. That's gorgeous. You more than her. She was a teeny bit hollow, but you are so soft to her there. Yeah, good thinking. Yeah, that's a good thing for her to practice. Diagonal means slow down.
Okay, the sun looks so cool.
It does. I was just happy my horse didn't try to jump any of the sunbeams.
Oh.
That was nice.
Sometimes they get that into their head.
And if you could tickle her nose down a little, that would be even a better score. Yeah.
Their head position affects your score? Really?
It's just every little thing.
Every part of them affects your score. And the nose is a tail. So use your legs here to push her to your outside rein. Yeah, and walk. Right leg, good girl. And trot on the circle. And then practice again. She's decent here, but might as well throw it in again. Push her up in the trot and melt to walk. It's the last thing she's expecting. Nice. Good girl. You kept the bend and the twist. And trot on. That had confidence. And on her part. Good job giving. And keeping your thighs off. Fantastic way to finish.
Walking in that turn is good.
I think so too. Because
After that transition right there, and it throws her off.
it totally